Alright, so I just took the Sportster back home, went through, cleaned the carb, did everything else, trying to chase that down. However, I went over to my buddy's shop, hung out there for a minute, started cleaning some stuff up. It still sputtered a little bit, so I'm like, let's check the points. I got 600 miles on these. These are Blue Streak points. Let's see if this will focus. Here's the bottom side, that's okay. But here is the top side. Come on, focus. You see that giant chunk missing? It looks like a Pac-Man now. Put a new set of points in, runs like a top. 600 miles, Blue Streak, paid up on the nicer brand stuff. And this still happens. So, quality of parts. This is why I went to electronic ignition in the truck and the van. Unfortunately, on the Harleys, I'm still kind of stuck on those. Just put a brand new set in. Thing runs like an absolute top, pulls all the way to red line, no issues whatsoever. Because that's supposed to be a full circle, not a Pac-Man shape. So, quick little update. Sportster's done now. I'm just waiting on the brake light switch. They didn't have one. So, once that comes in the mail, brake light switch will go in, and then that thing is completely done, ready for sale. If anybody wants it, runs great. I'll post a video of a cold start tomorrow. Take it easy.